Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be solving this question, which is basic calculator 2. This is of lead code number 227, as you can see. So what we have to do in this question is that we will be given a string, okay, like this, 3 plus 2 into 2, and there might be spaces also like this. Here is a space, here is a space, and in between there can be space also. Okay, so it might have that I have spaces. Okay, it won't be a continuous string. I mean, it will be separated by spaces. So yeah, so what I have to do is that I have to solve this question. What will be 3 plus 2 into 2? It will be 7. 3 by 2, 1. Okay. 3 plus 5 by 2, 5. So I have to solve this question. And constraints are that 3 into 10 to the power 5, and s consists of integers double. So it can contain plus, minus, multiplication, divide. Okay. It will be a valid expression. It won't be invalid expressions. All the integers in the expression are non-negative integers in the range 0 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, and the answer is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. Okay, so this one is a very good question, I would say, and one of the very famous question. So I will let's go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to explain you how we are going to explore approach this question. Okay, so let's get into basics first. I hope you stack might be coming in your mind, like because you might have solved this type of questions previously. Okay, and you might have used stack there. Okay, so yeah, you are correct, guys. We have to use stack here as well. So what let's well, if you can see that we have multiplication and divide as well. Okay, we have multiplication and divide as well. So what we have to do is that we have to use we have to change the previously used algorithm a little bit. We have to change it. Okay, suppose it was suppose multiplication and dividend were not there. Okay, it was like this one. So what we would have done here is that we would have taken a stack. Okay, and I would have noted what was the initial sign. Let's say initial sign is just plus. Okay, I found it's a 3, right? I found it's a 3. I will be matching, I will be checking, I will be going through this string. I found that it's a 3. I'll push it into the 3. Now I found it's a plus. I'll change the sign to plus. I will find 2. It's a 2. Now I'll find it's a minus. I'll change the string sign to minus, and I find that it's a 2. I will insert minus 2 into the stack. Now it's a plus. Again the sign will change, and it's a 3. I will insert 3. Now at the end, what I am going to do is that I am just going to pop out each element from the top of this stack and add it into the answer. I will add all of them. 3 plus minus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Yeah, so the answer is what? It's 3 plus 3 6. Okay, they will cancel. Okay, so this will be the basic approach for solving the question in which we do not have any multiplication or division. Okay, so let's see what will happen when we have a division or a multiplication operator. I hope you know Budma's rule, right? So if there is multiplication or the division, then the preference is given to them. Okay, instead of plus or minus. So if I have 3 plus 2 into 2, then what will happen is that 3 plus 2 into 2, this will be solved first. Oh sorry, no brackets will be there, sorry guys. 2 into 2, if I have this is a string, then I will be solving like this. Okay, now it will be 7. So I have to first solve this one, not this one. I'm not going to solve this first. So somehow I need to first solve this, and then I will find and then I'm going to solve this one. So this is the challenge here. So what will happen in case of division? 3 plus, let's say 2 by 2. 3 plus 1, I will solve this one, and it will be 4. So this is the challenge here. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I have to somehow keep okay, let me be very clear. Okay, let me be very clear. So I am thinking of storing the answers somewhere. So I will be using that technique, like you saw that I was putting all the variables in the stack, and at the end I was popping every value out and adding the answer. Okay, adding all of them. So this will be done here as well, but while inserting the values, there will be a slight modification, and the modification says that I know I have a plus, and I have found a 2. I just can't I just can't insert 2 like that. If I might have, it might happen that I will find a division or a multiplication, or multiplication operator after this, so I have to wait. So what we can do, is that I will try to insert this value into the stack, and whenever I find it's a multiplication operator, oh, I found a multiplication operator. It means that there will be a value, if there is a multiplication operator here, and definitely there will be a value present onto the stack. Why I can be sure of that? Because if is according to the question, what is given as represents a valid expression, so I will say pop out the top element from the stack 2, and what is the current element? It's a 2. Multiply them and insert into the stack. Let me give you a dry run. It will be very much clear to you guys. Let me give you a dry run. It's gonna be. It is super easy, guys. Once you will understand this algorithm, you're never gonna forget this. Okay, so let's start with an easy example. Let's pick this one, and then I will explain you the third one also. Let's say I have a space here also. Well, yeah, okay, so cool. Let's say I have a space here also. Okay, let's say I have a space here. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to loop out this string, okay, and then I will be checking each and every character. So yeah, I am here. I found it's a 3. It might happen that I have 3, 4, 6, 7. So what I have to do is that I have to collect all the characters and add it into a number, okay, and I have to form a number out of them. So I will find it's a 3. Now I will push it into the stack. This is our stack, guys. 3. Now I am here. Now this as you can see that it's a plus sign, okay. So I will change my sign operator. Now you might be thinking, what is this sign operator? I need to know, guys, like, well, you will understand when I will move, when I will be explaining you this part, okay. You will understand this. Let's say the sign is plus, okay. Now I will check what is this. This is just a space, so I won't do anything here. I won't be doing any operation here because I don't need to do that, okay. It's a 2. I will find all of the characters and add it, okay. So yeah, it's a 2, and the sign was what? Sign was plus, so I will add it, okay. 3 plus 2 into 2, okay. Now I will check this one. It's a multiplication. Now I will change the sign to multiplication. Now I will check it's a 2. Now I'll check it's a 2, and I have reached at the end. Like, let's say, well, not end, let's say I have a let's expand this string, okay. I have a white space here, and I have minus 3 also, okay. I would like to give the example for minus 3 also, so that you can clearly understand the algorithm. Now it's a 2. Now if previously I had a multiplication operator, then I have to multiply them first, right? This sign, what it does, it represents that what I had just previous of me, I had a multiplication operator. So what I have to do is that I have to multiply the current operand. I have to multiply the current value and the top of the stack's value, okay. So what I will pop out it's a 2. What is the current value? It's a 2. 2 to the 4. Again I will push it, right. Now I will be here. It's a white space, so nothing will happen. Now I will be here. It's a minus sign. So I will update my sign to minus. Now I find it's a 3. So I will first give all the value. It's just a 3. Now what do you think? What I am going to insert here? 3 or minus 3? Definitely 3, guys. I am going to insert, sorry, definitely minus 3, guys. I am going to insert minus 3 here. Now I think I hope you guys understood what I have to do from here. I will just add it. I have solved the question. See, guys, what I had to take care of is that what was the sign variable just before me. What was the sign variable just before me? That was just easy. Okay, and let me write you what I am going to do if the sign is plus. If the sign is plus, I will directly say stack dot push val. Val represents the value. Okay, if it is a minus, I will say stack dot push and minus of val. If it is a multiplication, I will say first pop out the previous value. Let's pop out it. Let's say int pval is equals to stack dot top, and I will say stack dot pop, and I will say stack dot push previous value into the current value, which is val. Now it will be same for the multiplication also. It will be same for the division also. So int pval is equals to stack dot top and stack dot pop, stack dot push what? Pval divided by val. Correct. So now let's guys, let's move to the coding part. It's pretty easy. Now what you might be thinking, what will be the sign value initially? It will be plus, guys. Why it will be plus? Because in plus value, suppose this is the condition why it will be 3. Now I will find it's a 3. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to push it the 3 value into the stack, so I have to make the sign to be plus, right? Yes. So let's push it. If it was like minus 3, then I would have encountered that the character is a minus, and I would have definitely updated the sign with minus. Okay, so and when I find that it's a when I will reach here and I will find that I have collected the value, then I will update, push into the stack as minus val, and it will be pushed as minus 3. So cool. Let's move to the coding part, guys. And sign is equals to size. Let's character sign is equals to plus, right? And let's traverse. It's n plus. If I find that it's the s of I, this particular character is a digit, what I want to do is that I want to collect the number. So I will say like this. I hope you know this small things. And I will be like value is equals to val into 10 plus I minus 0, yeah, I plus plus. Now if you can see that I am moving I plus plus. Now there might a condition might arise when I am hitting some kind of sign operator, right? And in that condition this will fail. Okay, so I need to shift my I operator to the left. I mean, I need to decrease just by only one value, because at the end this for loop is going to increase the I value. So let's decrease the I value. Okay, I hope you knew what I'm doing here. So if the sign is what is a plus, what I'm going to do, stack dot push value, correct? Else if sign is minus, stack dot push minus of val. Else if sign is equals to multiplication, I will be like previous value is what, stack dot top, and I will pop it I'll push the val into eval. Else at the end there can be last only one thing left, sign operator, that is division. Okay, so now let's solve for this one also. We are going to use a division. Now if it is not a digit and if it is not a space, then what it should be. See what I'm writing. If it is not a digit, then if it is not a space, then definitely it is a operator, right? It will be a plus, minus, or multiplication or divide operator. So I will update the sign with s of I. Now what I have to do is very simple. I will say answer is equal to 0. I will pop out each and every element from the stack and I will add it. Okay. Answer is equal to stack pop dot pop. I am going to return answer. Time complexity is just O of n because I am just traversing this string, and space complexity is O of n because I am taking it stack, and it might happen that I am using all of the characters inside it. Okay, stack dot push. Okay, sorry, I haven't declared it stack. Sorry guys. Now let's run. There is a slight mistake, I guess. Let me check, guys, what is the mistake. Okay. Well, everything seems fine to me. Let me check from the solution what mistake I did. Value is equals to value into 10. Everything is correct. Let me compare. Okay. Okay, sorry, I think it will be p value by val. This small mistake lead me error. Sorry guys. It will be like, let me connect. Okay, it will be val divided by will be p val divided by val. Now it ran. Okay, let me submit it. Sorry everyone. So this solution is accepted. I hope you guys understood the solution. Thank you for watching the video.